Hello everyone, this is Will. Finally, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is here. I got the navy blue version, and I was told that the phone was not going to be delivered until next week. I was devastated, but after making a couple of phone calls, they finally decided to give the phone back to me today. So without further ado, let's just open the box. And I got the navy blue version, 256 gigabyte. So excited about this, waiting for this day for such a long time. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at the phone here, right here. Okay, very good presentation so far. So excited. Okay, here's the phone. Okay, wow, it's really heavy, it's really heavy. So it's almost as heavy as the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have got it here right here with the battery case on. So I think it's about 300 grams for this iPhone in the box. Okay, so let's look at this this box unboxing experience. So I'm gonna peel it right here. I think this is 256 gigabyte, right? Let me check. I can't find it. Where is the it doesn't say so anywhere. Anyway, oh, here, right here. So it's the blue version. Can't wait. Ta-da! There we go. Put the plastic aside. I'll need that later. Okay, I think this is the... Oh yeah! Oh my god, it's so good! It's as good as I expected, as I imagined. Oh my god, okay, let me just get the iPhone 11 Pro Max outside of the case and make a comparison. So this is the new iPhone, the blue color. Always get the new color because you want everybody to know that that you have the new iPhone this year. Okay, so this is the green one, this is the blue one. I think they're both very, very good. It's just a side. This one is a little bit, it's a square like. This one is a round and a very smooth. Okay, that's a very weird. That's very awful. That's my photo. That's stupid. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so, wow. And the camera bump is so much bigger than the last year. So look at this, look at this. So much bigger. I'm so excited to wait for the effect of the new cameras. Oh my god, it's so big. I love it. As you guys all know that I already have the Pitaka case for this phone. So let me just peel this first. Oh, okay, before that, that's the cable, that's the box and stuff. There's no charging brick in this kind of package, so let's leave that aside. Okay, oh my god, so excited. Oh my god, it's so good. It is so good. It's much better than I imagined. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's like a gem or a precious stone or a diamond or anything that you can imagine. Really good in hand. Okay, let me just put on the case just in case I drop it. So, wow, it's really nice. It's not gonna collect my fingerprints or anything. So, yeah, okay, snap right in. Okay, I think. Is that good? Is that good? I think that's good. Okay, let's turn this baby on. Let's just see the wallpaper and be done with it. Normally I don't do this because, you know, everybody knows how an iPhone looks like inside, right? It's the same system and the same shit. But okay, let's choose English. Although it's in China, I'm not gonna choose China because my ID is in the United States. So I'm gonna choose the United States. Where is the United States? The United States. Here. Setup. Not now. Can I skip? Oh god, let me sign the with the Wi-Fi. Join. Okay. I think it's join. Is it joined? Oh, it's joined. Okay, so take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. I'm not gonna return this iPhone. I'm gonna use this iPhone as my daily driver since I've already got the older iPhone Pro, 11 Pro Max, and the Samsung Note. God damn it. 20 Ultra here, right here. Look at this LED screen. It's the you know, the flag for the United States. Okay, let's make a comparison between these two. I want to say that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a little bit shorter than the Samsung Note 20 Ultra, but it's about the same width. Okay, see, yes, exactly the same width, but a little bit shorter. I mean, the Samsung is a little bit taller. Yes, exactly. Like yes, okay. Continue. Can I skip this? Set up later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, use it anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't transfer. Should I? Oh God, I don't want to do that. Can I get in the phone already? How can I pass this phase? Okay, let me just get in the... Sorry guys, have to do this. So stupid. Okay, the password. Oh. Jesus Christ. Allow. Okay, it says, okay, agree. Come on, hurry up. Sorry guys, you have to go through this process with me. Well, while the phone is doing that, let's appreciate how beautiful it is. I'm gonna take off the, how can I take off the case? How can I do it? I can't do it. Okay, probably I should not do it right now because I'm gonna mess up with the case. But you can see here, it's the button, the switch, the mute switch right here. That's the button here. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Okay, let's just put it aside. The other phone, so okay, let's continue. Continue. Or maybe... No, don't do that, please, stop. I just want to see the wallpapers. Later. Come on, let's get in the iPhone, not now. Later. Share. Continue. 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 Yay! We're in the phone. Okay, wow, look at the wallpaper here. Let's go to wallpaper first. So, first I want to see the... oh, is this wallpaper? Okay, so let's get into the... okay, Jesus Christ. Wallpaper, where is it? Here. No, I don't need this. I want this. Wow, let's choose the blue one. Set lock screen. Wow, okay. Look at that. If I press it. It will just transform. Oh my god, I love it so much. What is this though? Oh, it just tell me to do the things that I don't want to do. So silly. But anyway, let's try the other one. Let's try this one. Okay, not so much, not so pretty. Okay, let's try the silver one, I guess. I think it's a black one, or the gray one. Not too good. Let's try this one. I don't know what this one is. I still prefer the blue one. Oh, come on. Okay, so what else? What else? Let's see the not the battery, but the storage. Okay, it's 256 gigabyte. I guess there's nothing more to see here. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoy it. I will be buying more accessories for this phone, like wireless charging stuff and other cases maybe later, but I do like it. I really, really love the color, the blue one. Please go with the blue one or the black one. Don't go with the golden or white one because they're, too conventional and too disappointing. By the way, this case is superb. It's really, really good. And that's it. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you next time.